In the next few minutes, we're going to reveal something that no one has ever done before that is finally giving the average person an easy and powerful way to make real money from home. Powered by a compensation plan that pays everyone and a first-of-its-kind breakthrough product that is already getting worldwide recognition as one of the best products ever created. This is the future of network marketing. So what makes this company so powerful, so exciting, and so unique that it's never been done before in the history of this great industry? Well, for the first time ever, you can do it without the embarrassment of making a list and trying to recruit your friends and family, without having to waste your time and money buying and calling expensive leads, without having to know anything technical about anything, and without having to enroll anyone into your organization ever. This is Skinny Body Care. Why does Skinny Body Care work unlike any other company in the industry? Because we have found the solution to the two biggest problems that plague 95% of people on this planet every single day: losing weight and making more money. Our award-winning weight loss product, Skinny Fiber, is getting international recognition as the best weight loss product of the year. Just take 2 Skinny Fiber capsules with a glass of water 30 minutes before large meals, and our first and only product of its kind helps you melt away fat faster, safer, and more efficiently than any other product on the market. First, with all-natural dietary fiber glucomannan, Skinny Fiber expands 50 times its size in your stomach, making you feel full even before you start eating to help you eat less and curb cravings. Second, pure Caralluma extracts block the formation of new fat, causing fat reserves to be burned and allowing you to maintain energy even with less food, all while melting away stubborn fat. And third, Chá de Bugre, the best-kept Brazilian secret to losing weight. With its unique ability to stimulate fat burning by working to gently energize your metabolism, while at the same time helping to lower your cravings for food, this wonder ingredient has also been shown to reduce fat deposits and even reduce the amount and appearance of cellulite. No matter how much weight you want to lose or how many other diet or weight loss programs you've tried, Skinny Fiber is being used by men and women from all ages, backgrounds, and body types to lose weight and keep it off for good. Skinny Fiber works. Good news spreads fast, and with a product this effective, everyone will want to know about it. Because of that, we have created the easiest compensation program in the industry to make money fast and long-term. When you first visited our website and submitted your information, including your name, email address, and phone number, our system gave you a free temporary position in our company so that you can start to see exactly how this system works before you have to commit anything to get started. As you're watching this movie, we're already placing people below you that you have the opportunity to get paid on. In fact, you will get paid on the first 3 members that are placed below you in the power line just for locking in your position and purchasing our amazing product. But you must make a decision before Thursday, which is the next cutoff day. At midnight Pacific time on Thursday, our system looks to see who has taken action and who has not. By taking action and locking in your position, you will be rewarded by being positioned in the matrix before all the people who joined after you. As more people are placed into the matrix following their enroller, the only possible place for them to go is under the people who are already positioned. This is called spillover. Each Thursday night at midnight, our system places everyone into the matrix in the order they are in on the genealogy page. So the sooner you upgrade your position, the sooner you will be positioned in the matrix, which will give you the best chance to capture this spillover as more and more members are placed into the matrix after you. Not only this week, but also everyone who joins next week, next month, and for months and years to come. What's even more exciting is that there are no enrollment requirements to get paid in the matrix, which means you can earn up to $1,618 per month without ever enrolling a single person. And if you want to build even faster and earn even more, our compensation plan pays you big to share the product and opportunity with others. With huge fast start bonuses, infinite generations of matching bonuses, big leadership pools, and the ability to achieve higher ranks in the pay plan without any enrollment requirements, and a system including this movie that does 95% of the work for you, industry experts are calling this the easiest home-based business opportunity in the world. Remember, Thursday is the cutoff day. Don't hesitate. If you wait, all the people who visited our site after you will be placed in the matrix before you, causing you to lose out on them forever. By locking in your position, you will not only get paid on anyone who is placed below you, but also on everyone they enroll. Those people enroll, and so on multiple levels deep in your organization. Make the decision to join today. Try our breakthrough weight loss product, Skinny Fiber. Lock in your position in the fastest growing company in the industry and get ready for the ride of your life. Welcome aboard Skinny Body Care.